Hi guys, welcome to Root Expert. Today I share with you how to double your sound stage of MX Player. So let's start. At first, open MX Player application. Then play a video.
Friends, today I will give you an awesome Android application named
See here, the stage of MX Player is 15.
Like My Device. So let's go to see how.
I make this 30. So first of all, click the music icon here. Then mark use SW audio decoder. Okay. Now see, the sound stage is being 30. So viewers, this is the tutorial for today. If you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching.